So the underlying issue with this vehicle ended up being the fuel pump was not priming, and that was all because of this right here. So the main relay, it runs the fuel pump to start it and everything as well. This was actually replaced, I believe, about 5 years ago. I do not know which aftermarket one it was. This is an original OEM. You can still find these online, new, old stock, I'm assuming, unless they still make them now, OEM. This is an aftermarket one I'm putting in. It's going to work for now until I can get another backup, and it is tucked away. It is really hard to get to, but if you remove the hood cable latch right here, get that out of your way, and then by removing the little cubby right up in this corner, you can pull this plastic down a little bit and get it out of there. But common failure and something to check, I believe it's either number 2 or number 4 for the fuse. You can see if you're not getting power there. That is the main cause.